This is day 14 of the 365-day blog series. The day starts now.
It is Saturday. It is Saturday, January 14th, 2012. 2:39. Alright, let's get an update of what's going on right now. 49ers and the Saints are going against each other right now. Now, what I want the 49ers to lose. I deeply despise the 49ers. So I want the Saints to win, of course. And I also had 3 burritos. And I don't know why, but we didn't have any taco sauce or anything like that. So instead, I used buffalo wing sauce. And it's really, really good. Buffalo sauce is good with anything. Anything. And what else? Oh yeah, we're supposed to get a lot of snow today. A lot of people are saying it's snowing, and a lot of people are saying it's sunny. So far, right now, it's pretty sunny right now. Like, really sunny. So I'm not seeing any chances of snow. Hopefully I can get proved wrong. And later today, we're going to be filming a music video.
Okay, we're good.
Why'd you lose track? It's so snowy right now. This shit's so crazy.
Look at...
Hey, Danny, is this day to day or whatever?
Yeah.
Hey, this is Rambo. Good on the mic. What's good for
Hey, no, honestly though, did you see how we were going towards the ditch and
No!
pulled it back?
Yeah, I really did though.
I pulled it back, dude. I'm a good driver.
It's snowing a lot right now.
I live in Tumwater.
Alright, so basically we're driving. It's snowing. Look at all that snow. Holy crap. Anyway, so we're on our way to shoot the music video in Olympia. And
Back up.
and Kyle and one
You
of our
back
friends
up.
just hit our car. Hit the back of the car. He couldn't stop.
Where's
Out
my
of-
backpack at?
What do I do? My latch is fucked, dude. I can't even pop the latch right now. Oh my, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Nobody hurt? No.
Nah, no one's hurt.
I'll tell you
me-
right
look
now,
at
to
this.
repair that's probably
This
gonna
is
be
what
about
we do.
$2,000.
This is what FBGM gets into. I see Future Labs get into car accidents. I see Future Labs go.
After the thing that just went down, the whole accident,
Yeah.
we're all on the bus. They were nice
They let
enough.
us off for free.
I'm on the bus. I'm on the bus. Seriously,
So they were nice enough to give us a free ride. We're headed to Olympia right now, so
We'll film our music video because you know we got hard dedication.
yeah. So I like to
still
see
gonna
you.
do this.
I like to see you, Future Labs, get in an accident and then do a music video.
We're vlogging. We're vlogging. We're vlogging.
We just got off the bus, and the buses are closed for the night. So it looks like we're gonna have to walk it to the apartment. That's 3 miles. 3 freaking miles.
And if let me just get it on my chest.
Wait. Oh,
My
we're good.
Xbox can go to Kyle Knobloch. If we don't make this, let's just get my wheel off here.
Shut up.
You can have all
All my recording
games. I want the
equipment.
cardigan.
All my recording equipment goes to Future Labs.
Yep. No.
Everything goes.
Oh my God! What an adventure.
Dude, this is bombing.
We're like freaking a mile and a half. And we're still walking. Steven Hensley.
Oh, dang, I didn't even know you were vlogging. We were walking down Japanese Row in the middle of downtown Olympia. Well, actually, we're on the outskirts now. I know where we are, but it would be so much easier if we had a car or some type of heater. I'm cold. But I'm enjoying myself because I'm with my friend Danny Kabui.
Danny slowly.
Danny slowly.
Yeah, there was a shopping cart on the way. And they're letting us go through the drive-thru since their inside is closed. Freaking crap. So look at us now. Sorry.
Here, I'll pay this much of it.
So we just went through the drive-thru, as you can see, and there's no one down there, but they're just so generous.
Hey, I wanted one.
Still walking.
Oh,
It's about 2 hours in.
my name is Rambo.
Jordan,
I'm really cold.
Preston,
Yeah, what's up?
and
Brandon Rambo.
we're just having a good old time.
Yo, what up? What up?
I know.
Oh!
You fucking. You missed, Danny. Come on. Come on.
We made it home. Group hug. Alive. Yeah. Let's pray. Yeah, let's pray.
Thank you. Wait, listen, real quick. Our car broke down. No, we got in a car accident. We rode the bus an hour to the transit center.
Downtown Olympia.
Downtown Olympia.
And we just walked.
Now, for all you guys that aren't in the Washington area, it's far.
8 miles
To SPSCC.
to SPSCC.
Tumwater.
South Puget Sound Community College.
Google Map.